Hey, if you want to mirror your Motorola Moto G86 5G into your TV, so first of all, just make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi network on your phone and also that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network on your TV. And in the next step, all you have to do is just to open the system settings, go to the connected devices, select Smart Connect, and click to add device. Now select your display. So that will be TV. And now it is automatically scanning for nearby devices. If you are using this for the first time, you will have to accept some permissions. When your TV appears on the list, just click on it once, and now we'll get request for connection. So by using our remote controller, we have to select OK. And now as you can see, we get this screen. So we are using our phone as mouse. We have to point into the mirror display, and we have to simply click like so. Take a look. Just like this. And now we'll get our screen casting, screen mirroring on the phone, on the TV, and that's basically everything.